Hi everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change our associated email address in the TEMU shopping app. To do this, go to the Use section on the bottom panel. Then under You, go to Settings, and inside Settings, go to Account Security. Now, inside the account security, you'll see an option that shows your email address, and beside it, there's a button called Edit. Press on Edit, and there's a text box where you can type in your new email address. Once you have typed your email address, press on Continue. Then you will receive a verification code in the newly typed email address. Check the inbox. Once you go to the inbox, you will see there's a verification code already in your mail. You can copy it, and when you get back to the TEMU account page, paste your code. Once your code has been verified, your email address will now be changed. In this way, you can change the email address in your TEMU shopping app account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to drop a like. Also, subscribe to our channel Tech and Cryptos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.